quick little video of the Ford Focus faulty instrument panel. You can see we're there, can't see the clocks. So what we're going to do, turn the ignition off, take the key out, lock the car, unlock it, over to the fuse box, over here, up, a bit tight, let's get it down low, undo one clip. Where's the other one by? I'll get there now, hold on. Should be doing this from the other side, bear with me. Take number 2, let's have a look. The one's over here. Drop the fuse box down. And we are looking at this 10 amp fuse here, okay? So I'm going to pull that out and I'm going to put it back in and show you. Fuse is out. It's not broken, but it has seen better days. Oh, let's get it up in there. Hold on, swap hands. Not the best video, but let's have a look, let's get in there. Okay. So that fuse is in here. Let's get this back up because we're heading down, going down. Bear with me. Okay, so let's lock the car. Let's unlock. Oh, let's jump in. And there we have it. Fixed clocks. Obviously I'm home now, but and this is the next morning. But yeah, they're on, and it's all because of our fuse. So, in terms of the instrument clusters, just to add, okay, when you first put our fuse back in, it won't initially work. I've done this on 2 cars. About 5 or 10 minutes later, they will work on the next day. But that is, that one fuse down there, that is your root cause. This will work now for months, okay, or forever. But yeah, I've done this on my car and somebody else's car, and if not instantly straight away, it's happened like an hour or so later, they've come back. So if it hasn't worked for you at the time, don't panic, don't worry, it will work. I give you my word. Hope this helps.